Verification. Okay, I'm obviously going to go to the nasty looking side and try to make him look like that. Okay, so how would I do that with that? This is a bummer because I don't have a fraction on top and the fraction on bottom, because if I did, I could just multiply by reciprocal. But there is another strategy here. We can, I'm going to go ahead and keep this the way it is. And then on the bottom, I'm going to multiply by the conjugate. I don't know if you really call that a conjugate, but I'm going to go ahead and call it conjugate right now. Okay, so I'm multiplying the top and the bottom by, quote-unquote, the conjugate, so that I can start changing stuff here. So, let's see. Let's not multiply the top out yet. Let's just keep the top the way it is. The bottom has stuff happening, so let's go ahead and multiply those out. When I multiply the bottom out, I get 1 minus cosine squared theta. And what is that? Do you guys know what 1 minus cosine squared theta equals? That equals sine squared theta. Okay, so now I'm really curious. I'm curious what I would get on the top. And actually, yeah, let's do it. But first, do you guys know what secant equals? That's 1 over cosine. I'm going to go ahead and change that because I'm multiplying it now. And I wanted to see if magic is going to happen. And it looks like magic will happen. What is 1 over cosine times 1? That is 1 over cosine theta. Okay, what is 1 over cosine times cosine? Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Yes, that's 1. That's nice, huh? And then we have negative 1 times 1, which is negative 1. And we have negative 1 times cosine, which is negative cosine. That's all over sine squared theta. Man, I really hope something magical happens. Okay, these go away. Oh, that's kind of magical. And then I have 1 over cosine minus cosine theta. How can I split those guys up? Or how can I combine those? I guess should we just do the common denominators? Boo. So that's going to be cosine squared over cosine. I do common denominators. Oh man, this better come out pretty, because I'm going to be very frustrated if it doesn't. I have cosine squared theta divided by cosine theta divided by sine squared theta. Wait, is that right? No, that's not right. It's supposed to be, there we go, 1 minus cosine, right? So that 1 minus cosine squared theta. Oh! What is 1 minus cosine squared theta? I can see it. Can you guys see it? That's sine squared theta. Unfortunately, I can't see that. Okay, and then we have, oh snap. So now we have sine squared theta divided by cosine theta. Oh man, there's so much stuff to write. And then we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of this. What is the reciprocal of my denominator right there? Oh, it's so pretty. What do we get? We get 1 over cosine theta, which equals, oh snap. Snap! That equals that. We win.